Class 7 Computer. Hello students. After completing your first chapter, let's start the first video session class of chapter number 2, that is Advanced Features of MS Excel 2010. Now there are some advanced features. We have learned some features of MS Excel of 2010 also. Now in this chapter number 2 we are going to learn some advanced features of MS Excel 2002. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about filtering data, applying conditional formatting, different type of charts, creating a chart, and grouping worksheets. Now in this chapter you will learn about what we are going to learn in this chapter, filtering data in a worksheet, and applying conditional formatting to selected data, and different type of charts in MS Excel 2010, creating a chart, and group worksheets, means grouping worksheets. Now these things we are going to learn in this chapter. Koina sigi chapter advanced features hana features khara yengkhre koina MS Excel 2010 gi yam common features khara yengkhre sisna advanced oiba kitang hengalaba hana dudi kitang hengalaba advanced features of MS Excel 2010 ji sigi chapter number 2 ji yengduni filtering data filter kamai tawi worksheet amada, applying conditional formatting to selected data, condition amagi matung ina koina formatting toba sina kamai togani, and different type of charts se kari lay MS Excel 2010 da, and creating a chart kamai semgani, chart kamai create togani amasung different type of charts se kari no, and grouping worksheet se koina sheet number 1 sheet number 2 lay adu kamai koina group togani. These things we are going to learn in this chapter. Koi chapter da yengduji sigi sne uji yengduji ko. Now let's start. This chapter teaches you some advanced features of MS Excel 2010, and you will be amazed to find what all you can do with this spreadsheet application. Sigi spreadsheet application sida kari tobe ya habasi yengasi sigi chapter number 2 gi advanced features of MS Excel 2010 sida. Now let's start the first topic, that is filtering data. Filters can be used to narrow down the data in your worksheet and hide parts of it from the view. Out of the whole worksheet, it allows you to choose and display only the data that is of your interest at the moment. Akoina filter season ai se kari matam karam kana koina filter season ai haidi data mayam ama chauna data mayam ama vast ona leiba matam da akoina data oi darkar oiba data do khatang akoina view tongning ba yengning ba aduga atai parts atai data ge atai part mayam duna akoina hide toraga thamning ba adugumba matam da akoina sigi filter je season ai ba. Now you will know this after using which season arakanda amu hena gyan tarakani ko, and the whole the worksheet to dagi akoina pamba dudang akoina display toge hairagadi kamaina togani habni kudamoina yengamda. Let's take an example. You could filter a list of students scoring 90 marks out of the whole class. Now in a class you have some 120 or 150 students. Now among that 120 or 150 students, if you want to view only the students who score 90% marks, that also you can do it using the filtering data. Filter data season araga akoina 120 natraga 150 class amda students lay haragadi lady students ningi koi 90 mark khandopada matam changdu moto adu matam do reduce tonaba akoi only 90% gi and 90% above gi do koina display tawna koina filter season matam da matom da automatically only the students scoring 90% or above 90% will be displayed and others will be hidden. Atopaduna loinma high to thamgrani duga 90% and 90% above to adu katang koina uba phangane. Now this is the use of filtering data, filter data kana base seasonable. This tool comes in very handy when you have a large amount of data involving numbers to be sorted and filtered based on some particular criteria. Koina filter toge hairakanda sumbaje large amount of data mayam yaurkanda haidi angang suppose 1000 or 1500 students laireng khalaji the students scoring 90% or above se akoina yenge hairagadi for every class kuding maki loina maki average da akoina round off toraga only 90% and 90% mark for every class ki yenge haragadi adu filter torga yai. Okay, no need for checking each and every student the marks they scored. Hoya angang amam my percent kya natraga marks score to kya no yengraga ju filter season anaga yagani siguma matam da koina sigi filtering data season hai. In the worksheet shown in figure number 1, let us filter data so that students who have scored 90% or above are displayed and the rest of the data is hidden. Now, in figure number 1, now shown here, example to filter data to show a selected view of the worksheet. The high basi koina 90% and above katang yenga seba. Angang 90% and above katang score to ba. Makai di yeng tino ko yeng do je my percentage da 90% and above to katang akoy na to ala je tay dina loima hidden to hongra si have. Now till here you understand, I guess. Si bok tinoy khangam maneng khale. I hope so. And one thing I want to tell you, if the text here is not visible clearly, then you can prefer your then you can refer your books, textbooks. Okay, if it is not visible clearly, then you can refer your book, textbook. Okay, textbook textbook to dam gang as well. Hana say that if Sengragadi habani ko anya haze Sengragadi no book to refer to Ragadum as well. But it's visible, I guess. Yang badum ubdi ubama ledo krakupa yauragadi udedna ko then you book the refer to never. Now after this, let's see what are the steps to do so. Now to do so, the steps are as follows. Now first of all, click at any cell of the data within the worksheet. Now click at any cell. See cell cell means box like cell ne click at any cell within the worksheet ki manung da click to. Now from the sort and filter group of the data tab. Now sige sort and filter group of the data tab se tholak na bane bako. From the click on the filter button shown in figure number 2A. Sort and filter se nambiro seda sort and filter seda ko seda sort and filter lai se koi first data tab ta changani duga sige sort and filters data filter buttons data you should click on the filter button shown in this figure number 2A. This one here. Now drop down arrows will appear in the header of each column. A drop down arrow. Now see here carefully. Now if it is not visible, you can refer your book. A drop down header will appear. A drop down arrow is here. Drop down arrow is here. Will appear in the header of each column. Sige header lay singje header say name of the student, roll number lay ba header singje sige makhada arrow down ama loi thole saida thole ko drop down arrow down di drop down arrow ma sida namatam da makhada some option am thola kane ko drop down arrow ma loi thole. Click on the drop down arrow of the column you would like to filter. Nangna filter tonging poto marks in percentage se toge hadi marks in percentage ma pasida click to biro na total marks to biro. In this example, filter the percentage marks column column mapada drop down arrow ja click to biro atai jikem pai roi ko sikatang click to birani. Now a drop down menu appears. Drop down menu macha ma thokle saida. Uncheck the boxes for the data you don't want to view and check the boxes next to the data you want to view. Selai basaida nangna darka oibadu khatang check to biro darka oidabdi check to roeba ko deselect all the boxes by clicking. Now in this example, deselect all the boxes by clicking in the select all checkbox. Ate kana double sing don deselect to birani only kana du khatang select to birani. Now click on the number filters option to get a sub menu. Number filter option sida koina click to birani ate sinoi deselect to birani number filter haiba sida. You can see this clearly on your textbook. Number filter ma pasida click to birani. Okay. Now number filter ma pasida click to rakanda koina sigi ma'am se loina select to bidone ko to see that to get a sub menu shown in figure number to see here the number filter option. See je mu thola ne number filter option je. Now number filter option thola kanda ke dong ni do yeng asi. Now let's see. Now click on the option greater than or equal to. Now it is given here greater than or equal to. The custom auto filter dialog box appears. A custom auto filter CG. This dialog box is known as the custom auto filter dialog box. Now here you have to write greater than or equal to. Okay, and here you have to write type 90 in the space provided. To dida sida 90 hene ibirani sidana 90 ibirani. Now you have to write here 90 and greater than or equal to 90 hene. It means that the marks which are greater than or equal to 90 will be shown. Okay, now after they click OK, the worksheet will now show filter data as shown in figure number 2E. See 2E, the only filter data say it will be shown. Okay, only the marks, only the percentage of marks which scored 90% or above will be shown only. Others will be hidden. Atai do height of granny 90% at 90% above hangodo adu katang ubo pangane. Now name, roll number, class, section loin tholani aduga only the students scoring 90% and 90% above will be shown. 90% ga 90% ga above katang urani atai di loin ma height of granny. Entare ko chija. Now click on the filter option in the sort and filter group to remove the filters applied. Click on the filter option. Filter the mu click tobirani in the sort and filter the changaga. Filter the click tobirani. Sort and filter group changaga. Filter the click toraga to remove the filters applied. Akoina filter apply to kibudo di lokhoke haragadi sida mu changa sida akoina si katang uredana. Si ura matuna si print to thokrani. Okay, if you want this to be printed, you can print this. After printing, you can remove the filter again. Going to the sort and filter, then go to the filter, then remove the filters apply. Now all the students and all the marks of the student will be shown again. Mukasu hanagi maina muthaman bewan. Gandani ko koina daka of the yengani print oni loiraga hanagi phibam the amula hanba. Ko filter apply to hibdo amulok thokpa. Sort and filter the changani, filter the changaga, remove the filters the changaga, apply to hib filter do amulok thokpa. Gantarani kaleina. Now after explaining all these things like before, I'll tell you practically also. I practically kona mulake hana I CJ explain to giba noida duga in practically kona mathang mulake. Now do you know you may apply filters on multiple columns. For example, you can display a list of students scoring 90% or above aggregate and 90% and above in maths. Koina multiple oina season abasu multiple columns ta season abasu filter season abasu ya koina multiple columns ahidi marks in maths desu amuto bialore aduga marks in percentage desu amuto biare adudadi akoina ani thona yare multiple columns ta sidachu koina filter apply to matamda marks in maths the marks in percentage desu apply to bini sesu apply to bini ana ani thona koina apply to biba. Now practice times. Now this you can do at home also. In the worksheet shown in figure number 2b, the figure which is shown in 2b, apply the following filters. Now display the name of students starting with letter A. Letter A do, letter A na hobangkai display toba. Use the text filter option. Say number filter season na mota less than or equal to the greater than or equal to season mota. You have to use the text filter option season na. Oh, display list of students scoring less than 40 marks in English. See, this is very easy. Send greater than or equal to have national less than 40 marks. Less than 40 marks in English. Now the students who score only the students scoring for less than 40% for less than 40 marks will only be shown. Will only be displayed. Ko 40% less than 40% pangmudo adu katang display to rane. You can try at home, but I'll tell you this practically also afterwards. Adu loirakanda yengeju yengo natraga hana khangagadi me yumda computer like this may try to roga yengeju. Okay, now let's start with the conditional formatting. Hoi sigi conditional formatting habisna condition ama tawraga akoina format toba haidi akoina shemba koina condition do koina pibne ko condition formatting. So now let's see here. You are aware of different formatting tools in Excel. Formatting in Excel refers to making changes in the appearance of the data in a worksheet. Now, conditional formatting is a useful tool available in Excel with the help of which you can format the selected data based on a condition. Now, you can, with the help of this, what you can do is you can format the selected data based on a condition. Condition ama piraba matungda koina conditional formatting se conditional formatting habse kaino koina condition ama pira matungda koina format the selected data select oiba data do format toba haidi koina darkar oiba koina fajanaba sengi natraga darkar oiba koina yengning poto du katang yengba phangdoine. But we have to give the condition first. Koina condition dudi koina pidoine. Now let us now apply conditional formatting on the worksheet used in the previous topic. Hana sijana gibda koi conditional formatting sijana ga yengasi. Underline and color the marks with red. Underline and you should color the marks with red color for students securing less than 40 marks in individual subjects shown in figure number 3. Now let's see figure number 3. Now figure number 3, sample example. Now figure number 3 is here. Now in this example, we are going to underline the marks which are less than 40. Okay, and we are going to underline the mark which is less than 40, and we are also coloring the marks with red color. Akoina red color na amu machu do sangjan ganeba. The marks which are less than 40 gi makha da leba marks angai koina underline tawrani duga color dusu red na sangjalani haibneba. Now this we are going to see here now. What are the steps? The steps to do these are as follows. Step number 1. Select the marks data of all subjects in the worksheet. Koina marks katang select tawrani. Kay no haragadi koina tawdusi only marks katanina. We have to select only the marks data for all the subjects. Okay, we are selecting only the marks. Now after that, now step number 2, from the styles group of the home tab. From the styles group of the home tab, click on the conditional formatting option. Conditional formatting option dida click to biro. A drop down menu appears. Drop down menu ma thoglani. So conditional formatting later, so drop down menu ma thoglani. Click on the new rule. Now we have to, from here we have to choose the new rule option. It is given here, new rule option in found in figure number 4a. Conditional formatting. When you click on the conditional formatting, a drop down menu appears here. From the drop down menu, we have to choose the option new rule. Now after that, click on the format only cells that contain option. Format only cells that contain. Format only cells that contain. Now here, format only cells that contain. Now these options we have to choose. Then enter the desired option in the format only cells with option. Now format only cells with. Now here you have to give the cell value here. Then click on the format button. The format cell dialog box appear. The format button for each format button sida mu click to biro. Say the format only cells with key. Sida click to birani. Do si format sida click to matamda. The format cells dialog box appears se thogle. Format cells dialog box na sona kanda. Right labor figure number 4C. The format cells dialog box ulis ne bako. After that, what you have to do is select the underline option. Underline option can be rows single or double. Now you can choose single or double underline as you desire. They can be raw and color red. See colors now you have to choose red for the marks who are securing less than 40 marks under the font tab. See font tab makada. See the red can be any color na aduga underline jinanda, or it may be single or double do and can be any. Now after this, Finally, click on OK in the format cells. Format cells da click OK, click to biroba. Now dialog box in the format cells dialog box, and then click on OK. OK na biro in the new formatting rule dialog box. New formatting sida OK na mamatong da sona kanda mula aga sige new formatting rules da mu OK na biroba. Sida format na kana sige dialog box tholok panina sida OK na matam si mangrani, but this will display as it is ile hogi neba. Now you click on OK here. New formatting rule gi dialog box aju click on OK. And after that, see the result on the worksheet as shown in figure number 4D. Now let's see figure number 4D. Now here, I think it's not visible clearly. Steps hang no uba pangragasu. You can refer your book as I told you before. I hana haigaduni no isi nagi book tagi refer to ro. Say the red light song. The marks which is less than 40 are colored with red and it's underline. Underline su tawre aduga color su red oireba. Mark 40% ki less than marks indo. Now you can apply conditional formatting to multiple conditions at the same time using the manage rule option from the conditional formatting menu. Conditional formatting menu dagi multiple conditions at the same time, multiple condition apply to way by using the manage rules, manage rule option seasonaraga goina multiple option to bazu yai have multiple conditions pan bazu yai have. Okay, now testing time. Apply green font color to percentage marks that fall in the range 50% to 60% in the worksheet given in figure number 3. Figure number 3 the pigiba worksheet to today the percentage which fall between 50% to 60% is green font color sango have. Now here we are referring with percentage only. Now so we have to select the percentage only. Before we select the marks of all the subjects. Now here we are going to select the percentage only. Now this also you can do at home. Did you know yum that way are ning kaleina? Kino hagadi percentage to only percentage to katang nang select to bidoji. Aduga percentage to select to raga 50% to 60% gi manung daleba. Then in the range between 60% 50% to 60% manguledo will be displayed only. Will not be displayed, but it will be applied green color font. Season adu 50% gina 60% gi manung lebedo adu katang display to gina tisina adu do koina green color something red color sangaga underline to bodo do maina 50% to 60% lebedo dida kayo do koina green color sangjalu have. Now you can try this at home. Yumda noi toraga yengi yengo I konam ulazo utke. Okay, now after this the next topic is copying conditional formatting to other cells. Copying conditional formatting je kamaina copy tawni to other cells atopa cells da haidi sida conditional pan ki badu chamana na koina suppose total marks su pan ge hairagadi kamaina pan gani have the name. Now you can copy conditional formatting to other cells also. Now let's see how we do it. Now you can copy the conditional formatting applied to a cell or a range of cells. Only to a cell, single cell the pan badu ogira, or to a range of cells, means to a group of cells the pan badu ogira, and apply the same formatting to another cell or range of cells. Another cell natraga range of cells da koina mu copy to bayayeba. To do this, the steps are as follows. Now what are the steps? Step number 1, select the cell that have the conditional formatting applied by you. Nang na conditional formatting season akiba cell do select to biro. Okay. As the conditional formatting applied to kiba cell hadi suppose ida koina green season na kalaji sigi cell se select to biro. Then from the clipboard group of the home tab we have to go up to the home tab, and from the clipboard group, click on the format painter. There is an option called format painter. In the clipboard group, we can see some options like copy, paste, cut, and this format painter also you can see on the clipboard group. Now you click on the format painter. Akoina home tab changaga clipboard group ta cut, copy, paste ne yawdo adugi the format painter yorongani makhada ko. From there you click on the format painter option, then select the cells you want to format. Nangna format oningiba cells hadi hujigi poto chap manana paningiba cells to aduida kadoba select obiro. Suppose sidida koina green palen khalajeba 50 dagina 60 buki manung leibsis the green palen khalaji chap manaba formatting option do koina total marks ju pange haragadi haidi 50 dagina 60 buki manung leiba marks green to ge haragadi. First, what you have to do is you select the cells which you have applied the condition formatting. Condition formatting hana already season agrabdo adu hana select obiro. After that, you go to the home tab, then to the clipboard group and click on the format painter the hana click obiro. Then after that, nana apply to ningiba cell to just click and drag chingo thado. From here to here, you click, drag and release here. Now the condition formatting which you have applied here will also be applied here. Now here what we are doing here, we are copying the condition formatting applied to these cells this column the pan kiba si column sida koina condition formatting ha kibado si column sida pan be wani da hangani ko hana khoi first da si the formatting palani condition formatting palani haidi for 50 to 60% 50 to 60% gi manung lepse green uhelu na condition formatting palani heda palaba matungda what you have to do is select the C cell singje you have to select C cell singje select obiro C select ora luera matungda home tab ta chalaga clipboard group ta changaga format painter ta changoba format painter changa matungda nana paningi ba mapado adam click toroga jar chingo sida se chingo matamda sida paliba condition formatting sida ju panrani having. I hope you understand it. No huje ai khanga mane na khale do maina koina copying condition formatting to other cells it maina huje ki main to format painter season araga. Now clearing or removing condition formatting. Clearing or removing hai log thok ba condition formatting je kamai log thui how you can remove the condition formatting. Let's see. Now to clear or remove the conditional formatting applied on a cell or a range of cells, the steps are as follows. Now how you can remove the conditional formatting. Now from the styles group of the home tab, you have to go to the home tab. From the home tab, you have to go to the styles group. Click on the conditional formatting option. Conditional formatting is here. You can see here conditional formatting. You can refer the book. You can refer your textbook if it is not visible. I already udragadi textbook the conditional formatting options later. From the home tab, the style group tagi home tab, go to the home tab, then style group, then click on the conditional formatting options. Click to below, a drop down menu appears. From the drop down menu appears, select the clear rules option. Clear rules options. Now from these options given here, some options are given here. From these options, you have to select the clear rules option. Clear rules option da click to be renewed. Clear rules option da click to be now after clicking on the clear rules option, now you next step is click on the clear rules from selected cells. If you have selected some cells and if you want to remove the rules, now you have to clear condition formatting log thoke haragadi select oiba cell dudagi clear rules from selected cells click to be option. Clear rules selected cell option. If you have selected the cell or range of cells from which you want to clear conditional formatting, log thoke haragadi ana clear rules from selected cells da click to be or click on the clear rules from entire sheet whole worksheet to the conditional formatting log thoke haragadi click on the clear rules from entire sheet option in case you want to clear conditional formatting from the entire worksheet to the conditional formatting the log thoke loina mak log thoke haragadi nana option clear rules from entire sheet can be roba. But if you want to remove the conditional formatting only for a selected cells or only from some columns or some rows, then you can select the cells which you want to remove the conditional formatting. Then after that you have to select the option clear rules from selected cells can be there. Aduga if you want to remove from the entire worksheet, you have to click on the option clear rules from entire sheet. Okay, like this you can remove the formatting, conditional formatting from a worksheet. Now for today, let's wind up here. In the next class, let's do the next topic, that is search in Excel, types of search and other topics. Okay, now so for today, let's wind up here. Okay students, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.